Well, it's been about maybe a week in care, and he has been a little bit traumatized from his experience, but he's slowly starting to get used to me and accept me as his new mummy. He's drinking from a bottle and he likes to sleep on my lap in his pouch. When I put him outside, he just runs up into the back part where there's a broken old cage that he feels protected. So he's doing really well. I just have to still give him lots of love. He's still a little bit scared, but he will soon get to know that I'm his mummy. Thank you for watching.